Today's video is all about inchoate crimes. Here we shall discuss what inchoate crimes are and the different kinds of inchoate crimes. First, the answer to last week's problem to ponder. The facts here say that A has ordered a machine from Germany for forging counterfeit coins. Yes, he is very well in the stage of preparation of the commission of crime, which is forging counterfeit coins. And the general rule is that the stage of preparation is not punishable. But here, the substantive offense under consideration is forging counterfeit coins, which is punishable even in the stage of preparation. Hence, A could be held liable. It is to be noted that A is not held liable because he had entered the realm of attempt. He is still in the preparation stage, but he is liable because he is preparing for forging counterfeit coins. Got it? And this is one offense wherein even the stage of preparation is punishable. And now on to inchoate crimes. Let us try finding out the liability of A in each of these three situations put herein. Situation 1. A shoots at C but misses the aim. Situation 2. A tells B to kill C and he does so. And situation 3. A and B conspires to kill C and B does accordingly. You are to find out what is the liability of A in each of these situations. In none of these cases you find A committing the crime directly. The first is the case of attempt, which we have discussed in the previous lecture, wherein we dealt with all the stages of crimes and also the difference between attempt and preparation. Those who haven't watched the video, please refer to the video. In the second case, A is inciting B to kill C. Here again, A is not killing B directly. He is telling B to kill C. And in the third case, A and B are conspiring against C and B kills C accordingly. So here also, A is not involved in the actual crime, which is killing B, the actual murder of C directly. Law does not spare such people who are indirectly involved in the commission of crimes. Law actually steps in to punish those people who are indirectly prompting or indirectly involved in the commission of the crime. Okay, and law labels them as inchoate crimes or preliminary crimes. Now let us find out the meaning of inchoate as in inchoate crimes or inchoate offences. Inchoate, as per Oxford English Dictionary, is something which has just begun in an early stage, imperfect or undeveloped. Applying the meaning into the criminal law perspective, inchoate crimes are crimes committed by acts done or steps taken for the purpose of effecting some other offense. Here some other offense is the offense which we are intending to commit, the offense in chief. In the earlier three examples, the offense in chief happens to be murder, murdering C. And what are the inchoate crimes involved? In the first case, attempt. In the second case, incitement, or in the IPC perspective, abetment. And in the third case, conspiracy. All of these cases consist actions falling short of the consummated crime, isn't it? And that is why it is labeled as preliminary crimes or anticipatory crimes. And now on to the kinds of inchoate crimes. There are three kinds of inchoate crimes, which are attempt, abetment, and conspiracy. We shall discuss all of these three offences distinctly in our coming lectures. So please keep watching Lawcities. Please do like, share, and if you're a new viewer, subscribe to Lawcities. Till we meet next. Bye.